Friends, welcome back my channel. Today I am going to show you how to install CCTV software in your PC or laptop. Okay, today I am going to show you Hikvision software. Open Google and search Hikvision software for PC. It will open to. There's a lot of sites is there. You just check Hikvision IVMS 4200. This is our software. Just to click there. And check this page. This is IVMS 4200 Mac, and this left one is a PC Windows. Okay, this is the language is English. Just select that one and agree. Close that pop-up window. Okay, our software is downloading now. IVMS 4200. Once the download completed, just open run as administrator. Okay, please wait. Okay, our software, this is the installation wizard. Just agree the terms of conditions agreement. Click next. This is a very important. Just select all things, not problem. Its default is coming. Selected all function. Okay, video access control, time, attendance, everything. Okay, I just keep default settings. Okay, this is showing the memory we needed for installation of the software. Okay, just install. Please wait until installation is completed. Okay, now the software its installation is complete. Okay, create a desktop icon and launch client. Just to finish. Please wait 5 seconds. The software automatically log in. Okay, loading now. This is upgraded detections. If you want to enable, disable, no issue, no problem. This is means the upgrade is available. It will be get a notification. Okay, this is a super admin account creation. Okay, first time we need to create one username, one user. Don't forget this password. Okay, otherwise next time you cannot use this software. For this software we can use access control and CCTV Hikvision brand. We need to configure everything we can do by this software. Login, and I keep this one like A B C D, A B C like that, because I don't forget like this. You can do anything. You can put any number, language, no issue. Okay, so our software is ready now. Just click OK. Okay, close that window. This is some information. Just close that one. This is the main window of our software. Okay, click live view. This is main view, main live view. Okay, now I am not connected to any camera. This is only empty software. This is we can select a view. We can select 4 channel, 6 channel, 8, 9, 13, 16, 24. We can select from here. Just click escape from our laptop. We can minimize the full screen. And this is playback. We can check playback here. Okay, next you have to go device management. This is a very important device management. We have to add a device here. This is the IP address, everything. Normally we add in device here IP address. Okay, use one name there and put the IP address and username device of the camera. This is it. We can add here camera and DVR also. This one, when we click there on device, the software automatically searches the device. If there is any device connected to the same network, it will be show the down. This is the group. We have to create a group. Maybe we have 2-3 customer, any 2-3 shop, office or somewhere, maybe home. We can create group here and add camera there. Okay, camera means camera encoding channels. Encoding channels is the camera. Just import here. See, there is a import encoding channels. If there is a camera, it will be show there. Okay, then select all and import. Like that we can add cameras. Each session, maybe we have to group another group. Maybe we need outdoor camera, make separate group, create one group, add outdoor camera only that group. So I just delete that group. Okay, this is another things, the software. Maybe the customer no need use all things, no need access all configuration, everything to other user. Okay, so we have to create one user. User type keep administrator or something, no issue. We just username we just collected guest. Okay, and put one password. Password should be one capital letter, number, different number and one letter. Okay, then we have to select which we needed. Okay, we can click total all, no issue. Always from here, okay, no free, we can deselect from here, no issue. Okay, but this guest user no need any configuration, no nothing in it. Only he need to rent live view and playback. Everything I will go to disable. No need to give permission. Like that. Okay, remote recording, this one, download remote records. No, I don't give permission. If I give permission, maybe he recorded our PC. Recording, no issue. Playback remote. Okay, keep it as PTZ control. Okay, live view. Okay, maybe the PTZ there, they have to control the PTZ stick, so we give the permission also like that. Okay, capture, this is all 4-way. Okay, then click OK. This is a system's configuration live view. This is only for all as per our device. Okay, or computer live view. And image, event picture is saving our PC. Which PC software, this software, which PC is using, that PC you should allow the storage. Okay, for capturing screenshot or something like that, have to save this computer. Okay, security system is verified. Okay, so this is our CCTV software of Hikvision. Thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe for more video. Okay, next time I will come with another brand CCTV software. Thank you for watching my video.